Hey guys, welcome back, and I'm here with another one. So let's get into this tutorial, and right now I'm starting off with the soft ochre. It's a paint pot by MAC as a base to my eyeshadow. Next, you guys will see me go in with the Pro Longwear in NW40 by MAC Cosmetics, and this is a concealer. I just started this method because I feel like I want my eyeshadow to show up as much as possible, and this has worked for me so far. And as you guys can see, I did the other eye already, and I just sped it up so that we can get through this tutorial. So I started off with the Brazil palette by BH Cosmetics, and I used this fuchsia color as the base of my eyeshadow, and now I'm blending a lighter pink color up into my crease. And now I'm adding like this deeper purple in the inner corner of my eye, and I'm spreading it towards my brow bone. And now I'm taking just a touch of black in the inner corner of my eye, and I'm spreading it a little just to give me some definition and to add some drama to these eyes. And now I'm going in with the same paint pot by MAC, and I'm using an angled brush by Real Techniques in order to cut a shape into my lid. And this is not a cut crease, guys, because it is not as defined, but this is what I do just to get this shimmery shades to pop up on my lid. Honestly, I don't even just do this for shimmery shades, I do this for matte shades as well. I just feel like when you're a woman of color, it's easier for colors to show up when you put a shape on your lid with a concealer or base or whatever you like to use. And now I'm going back in with the NW40 on top of the soft ochre. And now I'm patting in a sparkly shimmery eyeshadow from Urban Decay, and I do not have the name, but it will be listed down below in the description. And now I'm just blending the shimmery shade with the base of the eyeshadow color so it looks seamless. And now I'm just forming my little cat line. It's very simple with the NYX Liner Pencil. And now I'm just using the mascara to double line my eyelashes. I use two Lorac and a Telescopic mascara, which I've used in all the other tutorials if you guys have watched those videos. And now I'm lining my waterline with a gel liner. And the gel liner is from NYX as well. And I'm just priming my face with Poreprofessionals. And I mixed two foundations in this tutorial. I used the NW46 from MAC in the Studio Fix Fluid, and I used another foundation that's kind of too dark for my skin, but I still use it sometimes, but I mixed it with this foundation because I ran out of the Maybelline one that I always use. And I'm blending in this foundation with a buffing brush from Real Techniques. And now I'm going in with the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Amande, and I am going to blend that in with the Dual Fiber brush from MAC. And now I'm going to use the Born This Way concealer in Deep. And I'm also going to use it for my cheeks to highlight under my eye, I like this concealer, but I don't think I will use it with the NARS one again. I think I will use it with the NW40 instead. I think they both are like really hydrating, and I have oily skin, whereas in the NW40 balances that out. So I'll probably stick to that routine the next time. And now guys, I am using a NW60 Studio Fix Fluid, a darker foundation as a contour. This is something that I used to do in the beginning when I started wearing makeup, and this is definitely something I would suggest for anybody that can't find a contour cream or concealer that they can contour with. I would highly suggest using a foundation. It is just as good, maybe even better in my opinion. And now I am using the CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer in Ebony to bronze everywhere that I contoured. And now I'm pressing some Laura Mercier Translucent and Deep powder mixed together on my face for my highlight. Everywhere that I highlighted, I press the powder into. I do not bake. I used to, but I just like to press it into my skin. And I'm sorry for my lips looking as jacked up as they do, but I tried a lip before this one and it didn't look good. So I'm going in with a kohl liner pencil from Wet n Wild, and I'm lining the outside of my lips, and then inside of my lips I'm using I think it's a Anastasia matte lipstick, and then I'm topping it with a MAC lip gloss. And all the names of those specific lipsticks will be listed down below. And now I'm concealing all around my lips just so that my lipstick looks perfect. So I'm now going to set my face with the MAC Fix Plus in matte. And guys, this is my final look. Thank you guys for watching my tutorial. And if you have any comments, please comment down below. If you really like this video, please click the like button. And thank you for watching. Please follow me on my other social media, guys. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.